Welcome, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. In this video, we're going to talk about, can you learn digital marketing on your own and become a digital entrepreneur? In this video, I'm going to address that. I'm also going to share the 5 top roadblocks that people run into when trying to learn digital marketing and become an online entrepreneur. Be sure to watch this video until the very end. I'm going to give you a cheat sheet on how you can speed up your learning curve. If this is your first time ever watching one of my videos or my channel, do me a favor, hit that like button, also the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video now on how you can learn digital marketing on your own and if it's the right idea for you in your process in becoming an online entrepreneur. So there's 5 major roadblocks that most entrepreneurs run into when learning digital marketing on their own. And the first one that I want to talk to you guys about is the level of belief. Most people get into this industry not knowing that there's a lot of components that work together in order to create this online digital lifestyle that you see other people living. Your level of belief is the very first thing that you need to check off the list when it comes to becoming a digital entrepreneur and making money from home. There's a lot of videos out there that overhype, you do this simple thing and it's push button, it's super easy, anybody can do it. And that's what frustrates a lot of people and gets them stuck, because there's so many misleading videos, so many misleading information out there, and people just get frustrated and don't truly believe that they can make money from home. The second thing is an extended learning curve. Now, of course, the short answer is yes, you can make money from home. You can learn digital marketing on your own. Do you have 6 months to a year to really grind it out, to watch video after video, YouTube or course after course, follow guru after guru, like I did when I first jumped online back in 2011, trying to figure out how to make money from home? There is an extended learning curve because there's multiple multiple moving parts that you have to figure out. So it's not only just advertising the digital product, but you got to learn ad copy, persuasive copy, putting the right words to make them convert, to make them put in their email, to collecting emails. There's a lot of different components on top of advertising that you just have to figure out. So are you interested in spending that 6 months to a year or longer? Like myself, I quit digital marketing even after seeing results, even after making money. I quit on digital marketing for almost 5 years before I got back into this industry and got serious with it. So there is an extended learning curve on top of the level of belief that you must have. On to number 3, this third roadblock is product jumping. A lot of people jump from product to product, from ebook to ebook, from guru to guru, from course to course, and they spin their wheels in just learning. And a lot of people get trapped in this learning period, this learning cycle. They call this the shiny item syndrome, to where you're just jumping from one thing to the next. You get excited about drop shipping, right? You try drop shipping, you fail at drop shipping, and then you get excited about running Facebook ads and doing something else, right? And it's a process and a system that most people go through when trying to figure out making money online. And this is something that you gotta stop. You gotta hunker down. You have to grow your belief. You gotta get the right information when it comes to learning, and you gotta stop jumping from product to product. And there's people that do this and they wonder why they get no results. And the fourth roadblock that people run into when trying to make money from home is the overwhelmed frustration. Right? When I first got online in 2011, trying to figure out how to make money from home, it was difficult. I kid you not. I hated my job at that moment, and I needed to figure this thing out. And it wasn't until I got the right information, the right training from the right mentor, and I'm not sure if you're in that situation, but you're going to need a proper plan. You're going to need the right training in order to get you out of a frustrated cycle to where you don't believe in yourself and what you're doing and what you're building. and the income that you truly can make online. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. This is a cycle that people get stuck in over and over, year after year, and they wonder why they don't make any money. And I definitely want to break that for you, all right? And this last roadblock that people run into when not making money from home, trying to figure it out on their own, is not having a solid vision and a growth plan. And maybe you're at that point in your digital marketing journey or your digital entrepreneur journey, and maybe you need some training. I want to offer you some training, the same training that I got. I'm no guru, but I'm definitely changing my digital lifestyle, right? I'm growing my audience, I'm growing my reach, growing my leads, and growing an online business, a real sustainable online business. So if you're looking for some training on how to become a digital entrepreneur, how to travel and work from anywhere long as there's internet, how to grow your social media channels, I would love to give you some information. There's a link, the first link inside of my description, to where you can learn how to figure this out and not be on your own. It takes us a lot longer to get where we want to get in our business and in our income and in our goals as a digital entrepreneur and as a digital marketer. And you don't have to do that. So yes, in order to make a full-time income from home, you will have to have a strong belief in yourself. You're going to have to shorten your learning curve and have the proper information so that you can move forward with confidence. You're going to have to stop jumping from product to product so that you won't overwhelm yourself and frustrate yourself with all these emotions of failure and not getting to where you want to really grow in life. And you're definitely going to need a solid plan on growth and your vision and where you actually want to take your digital marketing business and your income to the next level. So definitely connect with me. I have the training that you need, the same training that I'm following and hundreds of thousands of people before me have taken to take their digital marketing business and income and actually shift the needle, guys, and start moving forward. All right, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep becoming the best digital entrepreneur that you can be. Can't wait to connect with you. God bless you, and see you in the next one.